Hi guys, today I wanna show how to change YouTube channel name. So get start. Here, my demo YouTube channel name Sabir Hassan, basically this name is my Gmail name. You can change name two-way, I show you both system. Click on setting. Go channel option. You can see, here the Google link to change name. Click on. Go name option, click here. This is the name you want to change. Sorry guys, here my another Gmail auto login, so show this name. I can't change next 60 days, if I change this, change my Gmail name, so it's not a good technique. Second method is, go to customize, here third option you see basic info. You can change here your YouTube channel name. I give my channel name Microtech. Click publish. Finally it changed. Please like and subscribe our channel. Next video is more better, also it's hacking trick.